see we cover ground. Back and forth from NC to New York when Jeezy had the crown.
Bro, we gotta talk. We gotta talk. How are y'all feeling about that new J. Cole? Son, it is heat. It's heat. It's heat. Bruh, it's heat. Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're about to be doing some installations of Hybrid Racing's new products, such as their thermal intake manifold, thermal intake manifold gasket, my youth. Then we gotta do a fuel pump install of their brand new 335 LPH E85 fuel pump and stuff like that. You feel me? So I might switch up on the camera and put it on the GoPro for like those tight knit spaces. Plus the GoPro is much easier, but I like the camera audio, the visuals, you know what I mean? I'm all about the quality. So I don't know, we'll figure it out. Also, if you have a racing helmet, I have banners available for your helmet. As the picture on the screen shows, I have that color in black, not that color, but got those bad girls in black, white, red, and blue. Your boy does not discriminate. I also restocked on stickers. We got that taken care of. All of the stickers on the website has been restocked along with Katakana Marauder banners. So just check over Zosh FG if you want to show some love and support to the channel so I can do cool things and vlog about it and, you know, get my views up. Then get, you know what I mean, an Evo. Then NANI? Okay, so what we got cooking up today is what you guys see right here. We got these sleeving for the shift cables, so we're gonna put those on. Then we got the intake Galifold gasket, and then what we have in this box is the brand new Hybrid Racing 335 LPH fuel pump. See, mine came in this white box because, you know, mine was like, mine was like, I had this for a minute now, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm like, late to the game about installing it and posting about it, but here we have that brand new, baby. Look at that. Ooh, yes, sir. 335 LPH. And it comes with everything we need. We got a fuel sock. Now, this fuel sock is what you would like to run when you're doing a fuel pump. When you have a long fuel sock like this, it's better for like gassing reasons. Like if you're on quarter tank. Yeah, I can't explain. You guys should know what I'm talking about. When you have a longer fuel sock, you will be fine if you're on E. You know those memes like, oh, I know my car? That's because they have proper socks for your fuel pump. So now you know. Okay, so I had to take off the throttle body. I thought I could do it without taking off the throttle body, but how foolish am I? But the Galifold is now off. Galifold gasket's on the floor. Don't judge me. But now it's time to install our new Hybrid Racing thermal Galifold. This will keep IAT temps low. IAT is intake air temp. So the reason why you want a thermal gasket is that these rarely ever go bad and they keep your IATs low, which means if you have a lower IATs, when you get your car dyno tuned, might make some more power. I don't know. But I know a little bit about shouting. Yeah, that sounds about right. Hybrid Racing logo faces up when you install. That's it.
This nigga ahead of me, I busted the trees.
Next up on the list, we have our fuel pump. So all we need is a screwdriver, some 10 mils, and that wasn't 10 mil, but a 10 socket, 10 millimeter socket. Yeah, that's it. So 10mm socket, screwdriver, and we get to installing the new Hybrid Racing fuel pump. All right, so it's pretty simple to go about doing this if you've never done it. You have 3 screws holding your fuel pump cover plate. I only have 2 because one of my screws went missing and I never replaced it because, well, whatever. It is what it is, y'all. But you see, as my harness, I have the JBtuned fuel pump relay harness stuff going on right here. So, and look at this, screw is pretty loose too. Oh God, so trash. I wish I could like tap these with actual bolts, like put like actual M6 bolts in there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to actually do this with the roll bar in, so I had to code through the back, pause. But we in this John, so I have to loosen out that one right there and this one right here so I can remove all this stuff. So hopefully I brought the right tools. If not, oh well. I have a 17. I think this should be a 17. I think that's a 17. Or maybe it's a 14. Let's see. 17. All right, cool. Totally forgot that's just a slip-on piece, so it just slips in and lock into that white thing you see right there. But got all the 10 mils off. Now we just gotta pull up on it right here. Pull up, shawty. Alright, hold on. Man, it's gonna be a pain because the last time I had to do this. Oh. Oh shit. Well, I gotta get a new hose, so hopefully. Oh my god. This is fun. Alright, so after that stupid little battle of my fuel pump stuff, finally got my hanger out, which was caused by, this is all types of clapped. Well, yeah, your hanger probably won't look like this. This is the JBtuned hanger mod. I'll link a video on the screen or in the description box below about the JBtuned hanger mod, but knowing myself, I probably didn't. So just type in JBtuned hanger mod and my video will pop up. But here we have everything that we need. So this is my old sock. This sock is garbage. You don't want to run the sock like this. This sock, however, look how big and massive that thing is. Pause. Because everything that comes in the kit, aside from the actual fuel pump, which I don't know where I put it. It's somewhere around here. But yeah, you got the fuel sock with the little retainer clip that goes on the end of the fuel pump. You have the 2 C-clips and, well, C-clamps. And then, are those called C-clamps? Damn, I can't remember. But anyways, you got the hose that you need. Look at that. Oh yeah. Time for installation. Look how big the sock is, son. Whoo. So I got the fuel pump back in. I also installed my Hybrid Racing bolts. So I had screws there. I was like, nah, bump those screws. Let me just tap it. And honestly, if you have the screw issue where your screws don't go back, all you have to do is get an M6 bolt and then just full send. And that's what I did. And everything is tightly secured and everything. So, car's off, but fuel pump primes and everything. I think the car's off. Yeah, car's off, so cool. Next up, we're gonna do the sleeving on the cables right here. And then we're done. We got these 2 things right here. These are gonna go by the firewall so I can space these out so they can be spaced out instead of like how you see it like that. So that's what about to
be my biggest fan, like how I was when didn't nobody.
To the gas station because I don't know if you guys can see, probably not, but my gas light is on 2 times. I got it on the icons and I got it on the display itself. I actually changed that one. right now, son. Alright, bust this U-turn. I will put premium in it, but I'm gonna try and get some E85. Check engine lights on. Why is that? Yes, I gotta fix that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. This is very, very illegal. Check engine light. Edit selected alarm. Vision 1.5. Transmit. Now my check engine light. Why did my fuel say 1%? Something's not right. I got a lot of shit I gotta fix. Thought I fixed my fuel. Apparently not. How do we go from a POV drive to this? My car's in pieces again. This was leaking. So when I did my intake manifold gasket, I took this fitting off, and I guess when I put it back on, it didn't want to seal. It's not sealing. I tightened it all the way. I didn't cross thread anything. Like, as you guys can see, the threads on there are nice and neat. It just didn't want to seal anymore, and it's not even spinning. It's like locked up or something. So I have to get a new one of these. So yeah, bummer. Can't really close out this video with a cool little POV drive. I can't even close out this video fixing it because I have yet to hear back from Mr. JB. So what's up? What's happening? Tomorrow I'm selling the RSX, so look out for that vlog. That vlog is gonna be out Tuesday, and this vlog will be out Monday. So that vlog will be out Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. And let's close out this video. Since I wanted to go for a POV drive, test out the GoPro Hero 8, but can't do that. Yeah, just got back from JB's, and God bless the ratchets. So it's now 10:25, And I just got back from JB's place of business. Got my thing that I need to put my fueling system car, well, pretty much the car back together. So that's what we're about to do. So, yep, I would film it, but let me close out this video. Hey, do this the right way. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. I have a couple announcements. The first announcement. Buy merch. I restocked on everything. I got new shirts. I got motorsport banners, which I have to actually add on the website. I got keychains, Cheek City keychains. I got Cheek City new air fresheners. I got a whole bunch of shit. So if you love me and you want me to prosper in life, I need your help. Buy merch. All proceeds go towards me and my mom, so we could not live in the hole that we live in. Also, when you place an order, you get this card, and the back of this card is a discount. Oh, look at that! Yeah, it's a discount code card. So every order that you purchase, you will have a discount code card. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hybrid Racing's 335 LPH fuel pump is now installed, and my car drives with it. So yes, do some track days on it, test it out, give them some data and all that stuff. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Be sure to check me out on onlyfans.com/Zosh, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.